Y'all need to know what time it is, because the days or the days like every day, family. I'm under the sun, and you already know I go by the name Nana Entry. And out here, bloody bro, we talk about semen retention. We are out here mastering the flow of the universal giving energy. So if you click on this channel, bloody bro, I salute you. Y'all, my lovely family, you need to know what time it is. You know what I mean? Today in this video, I want us to talk about how we guys, yes, that are on semen retention, how we lose energy the subtle way, you know what I mean? Unknowingly, we lose energy each and every day that we wake up to do our activities, or we wake up to go about our day, you know what I mean? There are some things that are, you know what I mean, dragging us, stealing our energy that we do not know. Bloody bro, I'm gonna be real with you, it is not even stealing our energy. Each and every day in my videos, I say that nothing can steal our energy if we are in control, you know what I mean? We men, we get happy, you know what I mean, when girls, let's talk about girls, you know what I mean, I love to talk about girls. When girls are giving in to us and, you know what I mean, giving us attention and validation and all of these things, and when it comes to a girl that we are interested in, we love, bloody bro, then it becomes a lot, you know what I mean, too much. Bloody bro, we will give in, because that is how the matrix has taught us to be. Bloody bro, I'm gonna be real with you that I am angry with myself with these things, that those days that I did not know, I thought that was the way, you know what I mean? But bloody bro, I'm gonna be real with you in this video that the real attraction is when you stay back. You know what I mean? When you start retaining your seed, this will teach you. The stoic energy will teach you how to live your life, and that is the right way. You know what I mean? You do not need to chase anything. When you step back from the things that you need, the things that, you know what I mean, we think that we want, that is when your energy will attract everything to you, the things that you really need in your life to go about your day. You understand? When we step back with this energy, everything will come to us. I'm gonna be real with you, this is very true. You know what I mean? There is no lies in how people make videos about attractions, and they will be saying that you do not have to chase. Bloody bro, we chase. That is the only thing. Everything run away from us. When you learn to stay back, you will know. I'm gonna be real with you that in this video, there are some experiences that I am experiencing these days that I know that we do not need. Each and every day that we wake up, we are going to lose energy. It is automatic. We are energy beings, you understand? So whatever that we are doing it with energy. So we need this energy inside of us. We do not need to waste it. We need to be in control. You understand? If you are not in control, this energy will control us and make us think that we are doing something, and at the end of the day we are going to be drained, and that is when we think that somebody have stolen our energy. No, nobody stole it, just that we were not in control. You know what I mean? Bloody boy, we need to be in control. We are going to lose energy. As I am speaking out here, I'm using energy to speak. Even walking, waking up, there is nothing that we do not use energy to do, but that is a positive way of using this energy. Our body needs it. You understand? Women, we are always thinking with our anaconda. And I mean, but when we think with our anaconda, that is when we give it out for free. You know what I mean? But we need to control this machine, this anaconda that is down there. We need to control it. When we are with a female, a woman, we need to know that she is also a human being, just like you. You understand? We do not need to be, you know what I mean, open and do. We do more, bloody bro. We do unnecessary things. That is how we lose our energy. It is the same as me, bloody bro. That is how I was living, and now I have gotten, you know what I mean, the right way, and I know that this is the right way. You know what I mean? It will come to you, bloody bro. The matrix taught us to be in lust. It's pleasure. We need to lose this path. We need to run away from this path and be in our own energy, and that is how you know that you are a king. This stoic energy, you need to open up to it. You do not need to be afraid to do things for yourself. You need to love yourself. Loving yourself is all about giving this energy to yourself. You understand? I'm gonna be real with you. As I'm saying, what is happening and my experiences about this makes me very angry, how I have lost a lot of energy, but it has not lost. We keep going each and every day, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna tell you this story, this experience that as I say each and every day out here, I tell you my experiences and let you know that what I am doing with myself, it is working for me. You know what I mean? I sacrifice myself to know. Sometimes I just lose just to learn experiences. I just give out just to learn. You know what I mean? And I am really, really learning. And it is the same as you, bloody bro. Whatever that you are doing with this energy, you need to learn, because this energy will teach you. Now it is your teacher. You do not need to do anything. You know what I mean? Drink energy drink and become energy and all. No, we do not need to attach anything to it. When we keep it inside of us, it will teach us a lot of things. You know what I mean? I was talking to this girl. I have a friend that I talk to. You know what I mean? So she has been giving me some energy that I do not understand. And this energy, as I am telling you, when you leave it to do its work, it will, you know what I mean, do what the energy that somebody will bring in the room, it will reflect the same energy. If somebody maybe you are chasing a girl, as we are on semen retention, if you are giving into a girl and this girl is not responding well to you, like, you understand, they will be doing like they do not love your energy. Maybe a girl is with you and the interaction that you are having with this girl, if this girl has putting on a mask, okay, let's use this. If this girl has putting on a mask, you will know easily. You understand? So I'm gonna be real with you, like it's like I've even the stoic energy, bro. The stoic energy. I have even blocked a lot of girls, a lot of friends that I know. I have blocked them. A lot of female friends that I know, I've blocked them, because I do not want any problem. I wasn't like that. I don't know what is happening to me these days. I wasn't like that. I have blocked all of them. You understand? So as I'm telling you, this girl is she's a friend, but I have blocked her. I have blocked her on social media everywhere. But you know what I mean, because I saw that she was bringing an energy that I do not like. So I blocked her, and she knew. Now, I mean, she asked me the first time why I have blocked her, and I did not explain. But bro, why would I explain what I am doing, what I do? You know what I mean? So she asked me, and I did not explain to her. So some days, I think months, she asked me again, like, Andrew, why don't you talk to me? You see, I do not want to talk to you. You do not need to ask me. I block you. I do not give you my energy. So why do you have to ask me? You know what I mean? If I am giving in to her, she's getting this energy freely, she won't come to me and ask me anything. When I blocked her, she thought that yes, I have blocked her, but she can still get the energy by being in my surroundings and being with me. But bloody bro, yes, the only energy I can give you is my presence. You will be in my presence and feel it, but you will not take away my energy. You will not take it away, just like the sun is here. Now, I mean, when it is here now, we make good use of it. You understand? We harness it, and at night it will go. You know what I mean? So if the person who was able to harness this energy, this sun, will make good use of it. But that person who was just, you know what I mean, feeling the sun and did not have the energy, have the mentality to harness it, he will be at loss. You understand? That is how you are wherever you are, bloody bro. I'm gonna be real with you. Your presence, people will feel it. You understand? But what they will not feel is you will draw back, because when they are in your presence, yes, they are feeling it. So when they go, what will you do? You will be texting them, you will be sending them messages, you will be calling them. That is how, you know what I mean, they will draw you in. That is how these girls, they manipulate us, yes. Bloody bro, I am flipping on the words, but I know what I am trying to explain out here. You know what I mean? That is why these girls, they manipulate us. You know, so this girl asked me, why don't I talk to her? And I said, no, if I do not talk to you, what am I doing here with you? I am talking to you now. So I blocked her. And a few days ago at work, they said we should go out and drink something. And you understand, I was making video like this. When I finished, a girl came and told me that this is what they've planned to do. So if I want to, yes, I am also here, so I will go, bloody bro. So I thought that yes, we are all going to have fun and all of that. A couple of from Monday to this time, as I am talking to you, everybody is trying to ask me, Abraham, will you come? Andrew, will you come? Like they are trying to make the party that you are going to have. They are trying to put it on me, bloody bro. Why are they trying to put this on me? What is this? You understand? So I am surprised. Let's put it aside. We will go and have our fun and do that. So this girl that I'm telling you, she told me why I'm not talking to her. Ah, I am working with her, and she told me, Entry, what kind of what kind of dress should I wear? Why should you ask me this question? Should I tell you the kind of dress you have to wear? But bro, these are some of the things these girls use to manipulate us. You understand? I have taken my energy away, bloody bro. These are, as I'm saying, these are also how we lose our energy. She's not getting the energy. She's trying to, let me give her my eye contact and my energy, she want me to give it to her because I have blocked her. So what should she start to she will start a conversation and make it seems like she's talking to her boyfriend. And you, a man who is a simp, a man who has a prostitute mind, a man who is dead, what will you think? You think that this girl likes me, this girl loves me, that is why she's asking me this, and you will give in to her, and that is when she will run away again. You understand? This party that we are going, why should you ask me the kind of dress that you should have to wear? Don't you? I am not in a position to tell you what to wear. You understand? You are the man out there here on semen retention. These girls will be feminine and will be doing all of these things. But brother, bro, be stoic. Do not give in to them. Do not respond to these questions that it is an intentional question that they are asking. So you also have to be intentional with your responses and with how you give out to them. You understand? Nowadays, brother, bro, I am intensively withdrawing my energy to the extent that when I am walking, I raise my head like this. All the eyes will be waiting to be, will be waiting for my eye contact. Why? Because I do not give out easily like that these days. So it is expensive. It is scarce. Every scarce resource is what? People search for it. So the little chance that they get, they just want to eat it. You understand? You need to withdraw it. If you want a girl, if you want to attract a girl, if you want to attract something, bloody bro, withdraw your energy from it. Be in the abundance energy. That is how everything will be for you. You understand? These girls are on me. I went to the bathroom to do my thing too. You understand? And this guy came to me. Entry, are you coming to the party? I said, yes, I'm coming. I will be coming. Then I'll come with you because I do not have a car. So he knows that if he does not come and tell me that he will be coming with me, someone will do it. So he want to do it very fast. You understand? He just want me to be with him in the car, and when he takes me to the place, then it means that I'm with him. He just want to be with me. You understand, bloody bro? If you give out your energy for free, it will be normal. If you are talking to a woman, it will be normal. Nobody will pay attention to you. Your interactions and everything will be normal. Nobody will take you seriously. But you are sacrificing something that it is a must. People need to respect you. You understand? People need to hail you because this sacrifice, it is not easy. Out here in this lustful pleasure world, this matrix, if you are doing this, bloody bro, you do not need to put it out for free. You understand? If you have a car, bloody bro, take it as your car. Sometimes, you can go to a place and you deep down, you know that I have wasted my petrol. I should have went the other way. But sometimes you can use your petrol to go someplace and you'll be happy. And you'll be happy that you even have petrol. You even have money to buy petrol. You understand? But you do something and you will be sad with yourself that, I have just lost my petrol for nothing. That is how your energy is. You understand? You give it to people and you feel it that, I shouldn't have done that. That makes me angry these days. You understand? Gravitate to people that are, easily. That gives into you easily, and your energy will be reciprocated. I'm gonna be wrong with you. I don't know. Reciprocated. I know. I hope that this is the right word to use. You understand? There are people that are innocently and vulnerably, in their world, that they do not want anything from you. They do not want your attention. They are in their world, like vulnerably. these people, when you go to them and you give them your energy, God will bless you. Not people that are hungry, vampires trying to eat you. These people, you need to control yourself. You understand? You need to withdraw your energy from these people, and you will see how they will race after you. You will see how they will chase you wherever you are with trying to draw you back. Now, these questions that these girls are asking me is just questions that will draw me back to them. I know. You understand? This girl asking me what kind of a dress that she will wear. I went the other side and another girl asked me, "Entry, are you ready for the party? Leave me alone with this party. Each and every day in my life, I am partying. I am happy party. This party does not change or never ever change my mood." You understand? Another woman told me, "This party will be nice because the boss will not come in. We will have fun." You will have fun with who? Huh? They are just, after this video, I'm just going to tell them that I will not be coming. No, I will not waste my energy like that. I'll go and tell them that I will not come. I will be intentionally with my energy. You understand? It is not easy out here retaining our seed. The world is last, and we are intentionally retaining this seed for a bigger purpose, for something that is greater. So we have to be intentionally stoic out here and look people in the eyes and put them in their place. You need to know what time it is that out here retaining our seed. But bro, it is not easy. We will be perfect one day. We will be there one day. You understand? Stop giving your energy outside. Eye contact. You understand? Eye contact is the number one way of losing this energy. Do not be looking at people, and these girls, that is the only way they know to steal energy. If you give them your eye contact, they will steal your energy easily. You understand? You need to know that there is a power inside of you that when you return it, it will be beneficial for yourself. You understand? Do not think with your anaconda. Your anaconda is just a part of your body. Your hands, your head, your mentality, your legs, they all need this energy. Use it for them. You understand? Do not be using it with your eyes, looking at things that will be draining you, vampires that will be eating your energy as you walk by your day, as you do your, positively you are thinking good, but they will be eating you. Go wherever you want to go with your energy, and when you are leaving, leave with your energy. You need to control your environment and your presence. Bloody bro, out here retaining our seed, I can't lie to you that it is all day, like every day, family.